Good afternoon, children. Today I will explain about single correct answer questions. First one, a quantity of heat is confined in a chamber of constant volume. We maintain constant volume here. When the chamber is immersed in a bath of melting ice. One chamber is there, the chamber is immersed in a bath of melting ice. Melting ice means that temperature is 273 Kelvin or 0 degree centigrade. This is the melting ice temperature value. Melting ice. Ice melts means actually ice is completely at solid state at 0 degree centigrade. So above that one means that is the melting ice. Okay, and the pressure P is 1000 torr. 1000 torr. Okay. So final temperature, when the pressure manometer indicates an absolute pressure. So next pressure shows 400 torr. Okay, then what is the temperature? What is the temperature? Right, this is T1, P1, this is T2, P2. What is the relation between pressure and temperature? P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. By using this formula, we can calculate T2 value. T2 is equal to P2 into P1 by P1. Okay, Nana? Next, second one. At what temperature will both Celsius and Fahrenheit scales read the same value? Actually, when Fahrenheit value is given, it is converted into degree Celsius, just F minus 32 by 180. If degree centigrade is given, it is converted by Fahrenheit means just divide by 100. But these two values are equal. At what temperature? So these two must be equal, is taken as T minus 32 by 180 is equal to T by 100. Okay. So T minus 32 is equal to T by 100 into 180. 0, 0. 2 5s are 2 9s. Okay, so T minus 32 is equal to 9T by 5. 5 is moved to this side and multiplied these two. So 5T minus 5 2s are 10, 1, for 15 plus 1, 160 is equal to 9T. Okay, Nana? Now, this 5T moved to that side, minus 160 is equal to 9T minus 5T. So this is equal to 4T. Then T is equal to 160 by 4. 4 4s are, so minus 40 degree centigrade. This is the second one value. Next one. Fourth one. A quantity of gas is collected in a graduated tube. Next, eighth one. Ideal gas equation is in terms of kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy formula? Kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2. Actually, nRT for 1 mole of gas, RT. But we know that actually for 1 mole of gas, PV is equal to RT. PV equal to RT. So then RT is equal to this 3 by 2 move to that side. So this is equal to 2 by 3 K. So K is nothing but E, just energy. So 2 by 3 E is the answer. Okay, sir. Next, ninth one. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, sir, remember here that given orders are important. V1 greater than V2 greater than V3 means this V1, now actually we expected 1, 2, 3 means 3 is the more volume, V3 is more volume. But here this order is given. In this case, V1 is the highest volume. Next V2, next V3. Temperatures also given like this: T1, T2, T3. Okay. Pressures also given like this: P1, P2, P3. Now observe the given graphs. So these are the highest. This is next one. This is next one. So applying the given graphs, which are correct or wrong, check based on these three values. Next, 10th one. So 10th one homework. Next, 11th one. A quantity of hydrogen gas occupies a volume of 30 ml. So a quantity. The quantity is not mentioned here, but volume is given. That volume is 30 ml at a certain temperature and pressure. So some certain temperature and pressure. Right. What volume? So if the conditions are changed, what is the volume? We have to calculate. What volume would half this mass? So actually, for the beginning, a quantity of hydrogen, that quantity is taken as weight. This is equal to x. Okay. So now that half this mass means weight is equal to x by 2. Hydrogen occupy triple the absolute temperature. Temperature value is triple, 3D. So this is V1, this is V2, this is T1, this is P1. Okay, this is weight 1, this is weight 2. We have to calculate V2. T2 is given 3D. Now check the P2. P2 is equal to triple the absolute temperature. If the pressure over 1 by 9 of P, okay, of the original gas. Now calculate the V2 value. Okay, Nana? Right. So it is very simple. We know that formula for first one: P1 V1 is equal to N1 R T1. P2 V2 is equal to N2 R T2. Okay, N1 means weight by molecular weight. But in both cases, gas is same. So, okay, P1 value is P. V1 value is 30. N1 means weight is x and molecular weight value is m. R is constant, T1 value is T. In this case, P2 is 1 by 9P into V2 value is, this is we have to calculate. N2 value is, weight is x by 2 and molecular weight is m. R, T2 value is 3P. Okay, sir. Now, just this is 1, this is 2. Now do the 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 3 into 30 is equal to x by mRT by 1 by 9 into P into V2. This is x by 2 by m R into 3D. Okay. P cancel, R cancel, T cancel, X cancel, X cancel. What are the remaining values? This value is written. So 9 into 30 by V2 equal to reverse this one, 2 by 3. Okay, V2 my value move to that side, remaining to move to this side. 9 into 30 into 3 by 2 is equal to V2. 2 1s are 2 15s are 15 3s are 45. 45 into 9 is equal to V2. Okay, sir. Then V2 is equal to 9 5s are 45. 4 9 4 36 plus 4 40 405 mm completed. Next 12th one. This is based on the N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2 model problem. N1 T1 is equal to N2 T2 model problem. Already we solved this type of problem in the exercise. Okay, so based on this one, calculate. Fourteenth one, a mixture of S2 and O2, sorry SO2 and O2. A mixture of SO2 and O2 in the molar ratio means moles ratio, that is M SO2 by M O2. Ratio means this is the ratio 16 by 1. 16:1 means 16 by 1 is diffused through a pinhole, a small hole, for successive effusion 3 times to give a molar ratio. After 3 times diffusion, it gives ratio N dash SO2 by N dash O2 is equal to, that is 1 by 1. Which one are actually not corrected given here, but not correct. Which one are correct? If diffusion is made at a same pressure and temperature in each operation. Okay, sir. For this one, actually one formula is there, because number of times fractions are given, so that fraction taken as f power x. Here f indicates how many times. F indicates actually mass value is r value. Simply this is r power x. Don't write directly r power x. R power x, how many times that rate is affected. So this is this by this value. So N dash SO2 by N dash O2 into, by this value is reverse, NO2 by wait. Yes, this value by this value. Because after 3 times, after this one 3 times this value is coming. So that's why write this one first. N dash SO2 by N dash O2 into. Actually, by means this value is reverse. So NO2 by NSO2. Okay. Now take the both sides logarithm. Take the logarithm. Log r power x equal to log total this value. But log a power m is equal to mo to this side, m log a. So x log r equal to log. This value is 1 by 1. This value, reverse value, NO2 means this NSO2 by NO2. So NO2 by NSO2 means reverse one, 1 by 16. Okay, what is R? We know that R value x log root over MO2 by MSO2. Okay, na? MO2 by MSO2. This is equal to, very simple, it is remaining for calculation part. Molecular rate of this is equal to log 1 by 16. Okay, x log MO2 value, molecular weight of O2 value 16 2s are 32, SO2 value 64, root of, right? This is equal to log 16 means log 2 power 4 means minus, actually 16 means 2 power 4. 2 power 4 move to the up, 2 power minus 4. Now after, actually we can calculate this one easy. Log 32 on the 32 2z root 1 by 2 is equal to log 2 power minus 4. Okay, after solving this one, this is a difficult problem. Root of 1 by 2 means 2 power minus 1 whole power 1 by 2, 2 power minus 1 by 2. This value 2 power minus 1 by 2. So log 2 power minus 1 by 2 is equal to log 2 power minus 4. This value into the set x is equal to log 2 power minus 4 by log 2 power minus 1 by 2. Log a by b means log a by log b. Final value, this value is x is equal to 8. We got 8 there. Okay, mathematical formula. So x is equal to 8. After x, we got x is equal to 8. We substitute the, we get it satisfied the 0 point n1 by n2 is equal to r1 by r2. Actually, n1 by n2 is equal to r1 by r2. Okay, r1 by r2 value is root over 32 by 64. This is equal to 0.707 because 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, now. So we can calculate in different way. We got the different values, but all the values, this condition is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. So correct options are. I think expected this in this problem. One mistake is also given. Not is given, but correct is the mentioned here. Which are the correct one mentioned here? So 1, 2, 3. These 3 are the correct answers. Okay. Next problem, 15th one. A graph is plotted between log b and log t. Log b and log t. So for our convenience, PV is equal to nRT, the ideal gas formula. So this P move to this side nRT by P. But we want log both side logarithm. So log b is equal to, take logarithms both sides, log b is equal to log nRT by T. But here this part and this part is separate. This is taken as A, this is taken as B. So log A plus log B. Similarly, I am writing log B plus log nR by P. Okay, sir? Right. But this is looks like y is equal to mx plus c. This is c, intercept value. Log nR by P. Log nR by P. Here y is log B, x is log D. What about m? M value is 1, not mentioned here. So actually m is equal to tan theta. Tan theta. So tan theta value is tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1. So now intercept value. How can we calculate the intercept value? That intercept value is what is the intercept value? Log nR by P. So log, what is the n value? 2 moles are given here. 2 moles, 2 into R value we know that 0.0821. Pressure value is also mentioned, that is 0.0821. These two are cancelled, log 2. What is the log 2 value? 0.3010. This is the intercept. This is the intercept. So answer is C, 2 and 4. Why? Because the curve straight line with slope 1 and intercept value 0.3010. I think no need to calculate this one. Direct slope m value is 1. And we have to calculate the log nR by P value. N value is given, R value known value, P value is given. We finally got log 2 value 0.3010. Okay, 15th one completed. Next, 16th one. A gas obeys P into V minus B is equal to R. It is very clear, it is a real gas. Real gas. Now check the following are correct or wrong. First one, isochoric curves. Remember all of you. Isochoric means at constant volume. At a constant volume is isochoric. So constant volume means this V minus B. V value is constant, B is also constant. So thought this value is constant. Then this one is moved to this side. P is equal to R by V minus B into T. It is looks like Y is equal to mx. Y is P and x is T. So m is the slope. M is the slope. The slope value is m is equal to R by V minus B. So this is correct. Next one. Isobaric. Isobaric means at constant pressure. If you draw a graph between remaining terms at constant pressure, the graphs are called isobaric graphs. So for a constant P, okay, we can draw this one. Multiply P into V, PV minus PB is equal to RT. Okay, this PV move to that side. PV is equal to R PV plus RT. Okay, now at constant pressure, at constant pressure. Now divided both sides with P. V B plus RT by P. Both sides divided with P. So V is equal to R by P into T plus B. This is Y M X plus C. Intercept is B and Y axis is B and X axis T. Slope value m is equal to R by P. So second statement is also correct. Third one, for the gas compressibility factor, calculate the compressibility factor. PV by RT is equal to this one. Now both sides divided with RT. So PV by RT minus PB by RT is equal to RT by RT. These two are cancelled. This value move to this side. I think RB. Is there anything wrong? For the gas compressibility factor. Wait a minute. Right. So PV by RT minus PV by RT is equal to this value 1. PV by RT minus PB by RT is equal to 1. This value move to that side. PV by RT is equal to 1 plus PB by RT. 1 plus PB by RT. So the given answer is given wrong. 1 plus RB by RT is given, but that is PB, not RB. PB by RT. Correct. This one also correct. The attraction forces are overcome by repulsive forces. Attractive forces are overcome by repulsive forces because P into V minus B means already P, only P is given means already high pressure is maintained here. So at high pressures, attractive forces are overcome the repulsive forces. Okay, Nana? So for 16th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 statements are correct. Next 18th one. 18th one. O2 gas at STP contained in a flask. Actually in one flask, O2 gas is present. After that, after removing the O2, that was replaced by SO2 under same conditions. The weight of SO2 will be. So in both cases, in same flask, first time O2 is filled, in second time SO2 is filled. Then weight of O2 must be equal to the weight of SO2. So weight is here nothing but molecular weight. Molecular weight of O2 is 16 twos are 32. This value must be equal to this one. That is 64. That 64 means 2 into 32. So double the value. Weight of SO2 is double the O2. So twice that of O2. Okay. Next one. Right. 19th homework. 20 homework. So 20 CW. 20th one is not in our syllabus. That is liquid state. Liquid state question. Leave it. Okay. 21 homework. Let's come to the 22. 22. One graph is given. In the graph, okay, this side number of fraction of molecules are given. Number of fraction of molecules. This side is RMS velocity. Something is given. Okay. So here the mention is number of fraction of molecules means here maximum molecules are involved in the speed. This peak value indicates. So that is equal to the most probable velocity. What is the formula for most probable velocity? That is 2RT by m. So answer is B. Right? Next one. 25. For the non-zero volume of the molecules. Non-zero means no empty space. When you observe the no empty space means total high pressure is applied. High pressure. So high pressure means we know that what is the formula? Actually P plus A by N square into V minus B is equal to RT. So already high pressure applied means this extra pressure is not required. So P into V minus B is equal to RT. So PV minus PB is equal to RT. So this is one option C. This PV move to that side, then PV is equal to right RT plus PV. For N moles, this value is NB and NRT. Because we keep N here, then PV into minus PNB is equal to NRT. Okay, so these two are the correct options. So both B and C. Now come to the 26. If you draw a graph is given here, this is PV, means PV is equal to NRT. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Here 1 indicates, we know that ideal gas. This is positive deviation, this is negative deviation. For positive deviation, high pressure is required. High pressure, because they are not easily compressible. Okay, so answer is 2. So C is the option, correct option. Right? Next 28. 28, this is mole fraction, this is pressure fraction, this is volume fraction. Actually mole fraction means we know that number of moles of one component by total number of molecules. Total number of moles. So SIP means pressure of 1 mole by total pressure. Psi means volume of one molecule by total volume. Okay, psi m is equal to n1 by nt, psi b is equal to v1 by pt, psi v is equal to v1 by vt. Okay, now actually just ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. So first one for individual one, for P1 V1 is equal to N1 Okay, here the maintain the constant temperature. Constant temperature. Correct? Right. PV is equal to mRT. So N1 R constant temperature, N1 RT. Okay, sir. Total for PT, VT for total pressure, total volume, NT, RT, not RT. Now this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Equation 1 by 2. P1 V1 by PT VT is equal to RT cancelled, then N1 by NP. N1 by NP. Okay, Nana? So P1 by PT value is, this is N1 by NT. N1 by NT means psi m. Psi m. P1 by PT value is psi p. V1 by V2 value is psi p. So simply this is the answer. Psi m is equal to psi p into psi v. So option C is correct. But in textbook both equals are given, but not equal. C is equal to psi m is equal to psi p into psi v. Okay, 31. Actually, this is the viral equation. In viral equation, PVM is equal to RT into A plus B by Vm plus C by Vm square plus. So this is one expression. So this expression is in which case it is equal for the ideal gas. It is very simple. A must be unity. That A value must be 1. And the remaining B, C, these are all zeros. So these are all zeros means this remaining value is 0. This value is 1. So for 1 mole of gas, PV is equal to RT we got. So option A is the correct one for in this case. 36 one. The Van der Waals equation for 1 mole of CO2 gas at low pressure. At low pressure. So already applied the low pressure means that P value is already very low. So don't apply the extra one. Don't apply the extra one. So at low pressure, the volume is negligible here. So 36. P plus A by V square into V is equal to RT. At low pressure, this one is V value become V minus MB, V minus V value is become V, because there is no change in the volume. There is no change in the volume. So this V minus V value is V. Means in this case we neglect the volume of the gaseous molecules. Okay, option A. Next, 38. Which of the following has the maximum value of mean free path? For mean free path, one formula is there. For mean free path, one formula is, that is lambda is equal to 1 by square root pi square n. Depending upon this one. If the given value is small, the molecular weight value is small for hydrogen 2. So if this value is small, the overall value is high. That's why answer is B. For mean free path, sometimes we can calculate by using mean velocity or average velocity also. U average is equal to root over 8 RT by pi m. If m value is decreases, the average speed of the molecules also increases because these two are inversely proportional to each other. Next one, 39. Read neatly this problem. The compressibility factor for definite amount of van der Waals gas, the van der Waals compressibility factor Z is equal to 0.5 is given. And temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, that is 273 Kelvin is given. And pressure is 100 atmosphere is given. So assuming the volume of gas molecules negligible. So V is given directly. Calculate the A value. Calculate the A value. Sir, in this case, that negligible the volume of the gaseous molecule, so B value is not there. So we know that the formula P plus A n square by V square into V is equal to nRT. Okay, sir. P into V, PV plus A n square by V square into V is A n square by V is equal to nRT. So both sides multiplied with V. So P V square plus multiplied with V cancel A n square is equal to V nRT. This value move to this side. P V square minus nRT into V. For our convenience, I am writing like this: A n square equal to 0. This looks like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For this type of one, we know how to calculate the factors. V is equal to minus plus or minus b. Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Just applying this one, we got that here minus nRT. This is the b. So minus always present, minus into minus plus nRT plus or minus root over b is nRT whole square minus 4 into what is the a value? A value is p, and what is the c value? A n square. A n square by 2 into a value is p. This is v. So in which case actually v is constant here. V is constant. When it's the value is constant means first this value should be equal to 0. So nRT whole square minus 4p into a n square equal to 0. After solving this one, we got a is equal to r square t square by 4p. Substitute r value, t value and p value. Finally, we got 1.256 liter mole power minus 2 atmosphere. Simply remember all of you, for this type of problems, if volume of the gas molecules are negligible, this is the direct formula to calculate the A value. A is equal to r square t square by 4p. Okay, same this one is used in the another problem also, in the following problems. So that one you have to apply. 39. Same 41 also same model. 41 also same model. Next question. 48th one. The critical temperature of water is higher than that of O2 because H2 molecules have the critical temperature. The critical temperature is higher. They maintain the higher temperature. Why they maintain the higher temperature? Actually, for 40th one, water shape. This is the water shape OH. It contains two lone pairs. So this one dipole moment value is very high. Dipole moment value is very high. Okay. Due to the reason, the critical temperature value is more. And one more thing, due to the lone pair effect also, they form, and one more reason, that is they form hydrogen bonding. That's why the critical temperature value shows very high. but only dipole moment is given here. Sir, 42 not in our syllabus, leave it. Liquid state concept it is also. 45. A spherical air bubble is rising from the depth of the lake. If you take actually in this lake, one air bubble is present. This is the air bubble, small air bubble is present inside the depth of the water that at a P atmospheric pressure and T Kelvin temperature. The percentage increase in the radius when it come to the surface of the lake. This will move to the surface of the lake or surface of the water. How much percentage it is increased? Simply it is increased maximum after reaching the surface, that the air bubble is expelled, means that air bubble is effused. Simply total 100% is effused here. So answer is A. 46 also liquid state, right? 48. It is easier to liquefy oxygen than hydrogen because why hydrogen gas is easily liquefiable comparing with the hydrogen gas means, remember, based on the critical temperature and the inversion temperature, if which gases has the higher critical temperature and higher inversion temperature, that gases are easily liquefiable. Because for example 0 degree centigrade, another one is 50 degree centigrade, another one is 100 degree centigrade. The higher means if you come to this above this temperature, the gas never changes into liquid. So from this to this region, from 0 to 100 degrees centigrade, in this region there is a chance to liquefaction. So for oxygen there is high temperature, means high critical temperature is available. But for hydrogen very low, means for example 0 degrees to 5 degrees centigrade. So this much region is required for the liquefaction. So maintaining only low temperature it is very difficult. But this much range is available means it is very easy to liquefiable. Okay. So 48 answer is C. Next one, 49. 2 moles of He. 2 moles of He. So number of moles of He is 2. But in this book, wrong one is given. 2 moles H2 is given. Corrected that one He. 2 moles of He and 2 grams of hydrogen. 2 grams of hydrogen means number of moles is weight by molecular weight 2 by 2, that is 1. So number of moles of hydrogen is 1. So number of moles are given. Okay, Nana? Then what he asked, molar heat capacity. We have to calculate the Cp. Molar heat capacity at constant pressure we have to calculate. We have to calculate Cp. But remember, helium is the monoatomic gas. For monoatomic gas, we know that psi value. What is that psi value? Psi 1 is equal to 5 by 2 R. Remember this one, all of you. 5 by 2 R. H2 is the diatomic gas, so psi 2 is equal to 7 by 2 R. These are the values. Nana, actually these are not direct psi 1, psi 2. These are Cp value of helium. This is Cp1. This is Cp2. All of you write this one in your notes. Write this one. Actually, we know that for monoatomic gas, that's gamma value is molar heat capacity value is 1.66. For digases 1.40. For trigases 1.33. But these values are coming from this one. That gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Cp value is 5 by 2 R. Cv value is 3 by 2 R. Here for diatomic gases, Cp value is 7 by 2 R. Cv values are 5 by 2 R. For triatomic gases, 4R, 3R. Cp value is 4R, Cv value is 3R. Write in your CW. Write in your CW this one. Okay, based on that one we are calculating. Okay, so Cp1, Cp2 values are given. Now the formula is for calculating the Cp, combining these two gases He and H2, that is Cp1 into N1 plus Cp2 into N2 by N1 plus N2. So mixing formula. V1 M1 is V1 in M1 plus V2 M2 by N1 plus N2 type model. So Cp1 value is 5 by 2R into, what is the M1 value? Helium is M1 here, into 2 plus Cp2 value is 7 by 2R into N2 value is 1 by N1 plus N2 is 1 plus 2, that is 3. That is 3. 2 cancel here. 5R plus 7R by 2. This is 10R plus 7R by 6. So 17R by 6. This is the value. Okay. Right? Anna, in this one, so up to 49 explanation part completed. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. These 5 sums are not belongs to our syllabus. Leave it. This is belongs to the liquid state. Okay, right. So up to 54 you have to complete, and one more part, that is integer type problems. 10 problems are given. Integer type problems, 10 problems. That problems also you have to do at home, because these problems are very easy. Okay, backside answers are also given. So check the backside answers. Those are very easy. You can easily calculate. Okay, right. Only few sums are there. 55 to 86 in single correction. Next, assertion reason not required for us now. True, false type. Assertion and reasoning type we have to do at home. Only IIT model problems are left. Only IIT. Actives, multiple matching column, multiple correction and single correction problems. Only IIT problems are left. Okay, thank you very much.